Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create Facebook group. For this tutorial, I have selected this page and I will create a group from this page. In case you created the group from your profile, the profile will be owner of that. If you created the group from your page, then page will be the owner of that group, not your profile. For creating a group from a page, I am selecting this page of mine, this digital marketing. For this, log in to your Facebook account. Directly my page has been opened over here. You need to go to the news feed of this page. Click on this Facebook icon. This is the Facebook page feed. If you move your mouse to the icon and click over here, you will see all the profiles of your Facebook. I have two profiles. One is my main profile and this one is my page. I want to create the group from this page profile. So that's why I have selected it, and right now I am in the feed of this page. Now on the left hand side you see the option groups. Click on it. Here you find the option create a new group. Click on it. Give a name to your group. Choose the privacy. I want to keep it public. What is the difference between private and public group? If you selected the private group, only the members of this group can see what is happening in the group. And in the public group, everyone can see the group activities. I am selecting public. Press create. We have to make some settings over here. Here is the option invite, that you can invite your friends, invite your Facebook friends. You may click over here and next you can edit this image by edit it to I want to upload. I will select this, save the changes. To complete the setting of the group, there are some guidelines by Facebook. I already invited the Facebook friends. I can invite the friends with the email or anyone by the email. I can share the group so that other people can see and join the group. I already have added the cover photo just now. I need to add the description and create a post. Let's complete our group setting by adding the description. Save it. Let's create a post. Share the group. I'm just roughly sharing the group with some other group. Okay, the last option invite by email, so I'm just giving a few friends email ID here. So in this way all the 6 steps have been completed and now our group is ready. I hope this video is informative for you and you have learned how to create the Facebook group for your page. Keep watching my channel because I weekly upload informative videos on this channel. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.